With the team's forward-looking vision to strengthen in-house manufacturing capability, I'm excited about the opportunity to take ownership of that initiative and drive it to reality. So let's step forward in time and take a look at what the future could be. Welcome to the Advanced Manufacturing Center, a vertically integrated environment designed to develop, build, test, and transition aerospace hardware to mission-ready systems. Our facility is intentionally structured into work zones, allowing us the flexibility to rapidly iterate designs or build different products. At a high level, raw material enters through a loading dock and moves into a controlled material storage area. From there, it flows into our back shop, where raw goods are processed. Once raw materials are processed, they move into final assembly, followed by system checkout. After meeting rigorous standards for quality, finished products transition back through material control for packaging and shipment. Now, let's put boots on the ground and see the capability of our back shop. Starting in machining, we rely on 5-axis milling, dual spindle turning, and large format routing to produce complex parts with accuracy. In composites, we enable pressure vessel manufacturing through filament winding, supported by ovens and autoclaves for manufacturing composite structures with high-performance resin systems. From there, our electrical fabrication space is designed to build wire harnesses, produce circuit boards, and validate performance using lab-grade instrumentation. Lastly, our additive manufacturing zone empowers engineers to prototype concepts early, develop manufacturing tooling, and produce flight-ready parts. By investing in capability, we don't just respond to mission needs, we stay ahead of them, positioning ourselves to deliver exquisite solutions with speed and agility. This is only the beginning for the team's Advanced Manufacturing Center, and I am looking forward to the potential of bringing the vision to life.